How people see and interact with data is changing. Misinformation, disinformation, inaccessible information. People are demanding more from brands. More clarity, more honesty, more context. But people have less time and attention than ever. Brands can use visual, data-led content to make an impact. But most of that information created today is phony, samey, or way too brainy. infogr8 is different. We help organizations tell honest stories clearly through data, design, and strategy at a time when audiences lack trust in brands and crave the truth. Unlock the hidden value in your data with stories for your customers that inform, inspire, and build brand integrity, and digital products for your organization to create a data design culture and drive better business understanding. The data revolution is happening. The data design revolution is happening. Scared? You shouldn't be. Excited? You should be. The time is now. For creativity that counts, get in touch. infogr8.